Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to log into your Touchtunes account. Now if you want to log into your Touchtunes account but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Touchtunes app on your device. So if you have not installed the app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. So after that, you just need to open the Touchtunes app, and this is the home page of Touchtunes. And the thing is that you may also use the Touchtunes without being logged into your account, but if you are logged into your account, you'll be able to listen to the music and also change station, genres and all of it by logging into your app. Now to log in, you just need to click on the option of profile icon at the very bottom right, and here you will see the option of start playing. So click on the option of start playing, and here you will see the option which you have signed up with. So I have currently signed up with my Apple ID, so you will see the option of continue with Apple. But if you have logged in with other option like email, Facebook, or simply enter your email, so you may click on the option of more login options. So click on it, and after that it takes you to the page where you need to verify your Face ID for your Apple ID. So I'll simply verify it, and after verifying your Face ID, you will be logged into your Touchtunes account. So that's it. That's how you can log into your Touchtunes account. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.